Hi everyone, Caroline here. So, we truly are existing in different timelines. We truly are. And I know many of us experience this in different ways, but I was just thinking about something and I thought that, well, let me just talk about it because I want to see how many people experience these kinds of things. And it would really be interesting if you two could share with me how you experience these different timelines or if you've had similar experiences. Because I think sometimes when we share our stories, other people remember. And when we remember, it activates something in our DNA and really helps us expand our consciousness. It's really, really important to share these things. Anyway, so this is what happened to me. A few years ago, I went to lunch with a friend of mine. We were sitting outside in a park. There was a lake, and it was just a beautiful sunny afternoon. And we were having lunch. And then all of a sudden, I look up and the sun is shining beautifully, but it started dancing and moving, shifting from one side to the other, like left, right, left, right. And then the next thing I'm seeing, like something that looks like a moon or the moon or whatever, starts playing with the sun. Remember, this is like about maybe 1 p.m. or something like that. The sun is here, and then it's moving to the left, to the right, and moving to the left, to the right. And then something that looks like a moon is moving to the left and the right. And in my head, I'm thinking, trying to do the math. What is the sun and the moon doing in this experience? And I'm trying to process and getting confused, but still I'm in this whole experience and I'm caught up in it and I'm thinking like I'm in some place and I'm imagining that everyone can see this thing because we're outside. I'm imagining that this person sitting next to me is also seeing what I'm seeing, and we're gonna have like a interesting conversation. But everything seems to be stuck in time. It seems like time has stopped, and this play of the sun and the moon and the sun and the moon moving. And I'm thinking, no, the sun doesn't move like this. So all these many things are happening in my head. I'm having all these questions, and but it's just such a wondrous experience. And then after a while, the experience ends. And I'm just like, oh my gosh. So I just come out of it and I'm sitting there with my lunch and I'm just taking deep breaths because I'm just about to have a good conversation with this person who's sitting next to me. And this person will probably explain what we have just seen. You know what I mean? It was that kind of thing. It was like a movie, it was like going to the movies. And I turn to this person and I'm asking this person, oh my God, did you see what happened? And the person is like, see what? I'm like, then I'm like, what? You mean you didn't see what happened? Like the sun and the moon and this whole thing that was just happening now? The person's like, Caroline, you're nuts. You're crazy. You're crazy. Like nothing's happening. You're sitting here. We're eating lunch. Like what the hell? You know? And I'm thinking, what are you talking about? This spectacular performance has just been happening here. What is the disconnect? This person literally did not see a thing, did not feel anything, did not jump any timelines, did not experience anything, was totally caught up in eating lunch and did not see anything. The person did not experience anything, made me out to feel like I was nuts and crazy. And I was just like, oh my goodness, like, you know what I mean? Like, I experienced something in broad daylight. And that was one of those interesting experiences that really made me start questioning reality as it is, even though there have been many, but that was just one of those things. And I'm just like, have you ever experienced this timeline shifts with people in broad daylight? I mean, I know they happen in dreams and they happen so many other ways. There are many levels and levels, but I'm just talking about this specific type of things where you can see there's a bird outside or the sun is shining and someone else is saying, no, the sun is not shining. And you're like, okay, what's happening? Have you ever had these kind of experiences? What do you think about them? I mean, I find them to be so fascinating, and I know they happen on so many levels. So, yeah, but that's not what you're talking about. I'm talking about, has something like that ever happened to you? You're here with someone, you're doing the same things, and then all of a sudden, people are like in different dimensions. I mean, I've had so many interesting experiences. Maybe I'll keep sharing them because this is what I feel like talking about these days. These interesting experiences that we have that help us remember. So let me know. A lot of these things are going to be happening, and we just need to keep talking about them so people are not caught unawares in the future when people are literally walking in the physical on two different timelines, and you're just like, okay, toodles, toodles, where are you? I'm here, I'm there, I'm here, I'm there, and it's all good, and people are functioning that way, and we can literally see these kinds of things. I think a lot of interesting things are going to be happening. Let me know what you think, and until next time, bye.